Good day, friends. Today, I would like to teach you something which is really easy, and that is how to make journaling easy. Yes, you heard me right. How to make journaling easy. Well, here's the truth there is no one right way to journal. You can do whatever you want and in whatever way you want. All you need is a piece of paper or a blank document. However, although there is no right way to journal, here is an easy way to journal, and this is what I followed. Write one sentence per day. The primary advantage of journaling is one sentence each day makes journaling fun. It's easy to do, it's easy to feel successful, and if you feel good each time you finish journaling, then you keep coming back to it. A habit does not have to be impressive for it to be useful. Okay, now let's see of some prompts that I used to make journaling easy. Every habit can be made only if you follow it along through daily follow up. Yes, you need to do a daily follow up in order to achieve what you want. Let's talk about the process I designed to make journaling a cinch. Every habit journal is designed to make the process of keeping a daily journal as easy as possible. It starts with a section called One Line Per Day. At the top of each one line per day is space for journaling prompt. Here are a few examples of journaling prompts that you could use. For example, what happened today? What am I grateful for today? What is my most important task today? How did I sleep last night? How do I feel today? Underneath the prompt, there are 31 lines, each line for each day of the month. This is where you write your one sentence each day. So basically, what you need to do is the above points that I mentioned, you need to break it down into five sections. So the first point is a daily journal, second is gratitude journal, third is productivity journal, fourth, sleep journal, and fifth, mood journal. So all these points you list it down and you write it on the left hand side, you write down the numbers for the month so that when you're doing this journaling process, you just write one line for one day for one task and then you will be able to achieve it. So now you get the picture of how to follow to do journaling in easy, structured, and consistent way. So that's all for now. This is Sujit here, signing off. And if you do like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe so that I can send you more content like this. All right? Bye.